Here's the same guy. He just, all he did was go out over there and then turn around and come back. From the last video, he just went like this. Now he's right here at this tree, just revving his engine. You can see him right there. So if anyone else were here live to see this, they'd be like, what is going on? That pilot has to be on drugs, and why is he revving his engine? Why is he so low? What is he doing? And all the people are stupid. Not a soul even notices. They're just retarded. They could be shelling my house and all these people would still be watching TV shows and not noticing and gossiping. It's pathetic.